Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JLab GO Air Sport headphones and I'm going to tell you what to do if only one earbud is working. At first disable Bluetooth over here in your settings and open your case lid. Here check if these pins are clean and these pins are clean over here. If they are, that's good. If they are not, you have to clean them. After that, check if your headphones are charging, and after that you have to check if you can connect with your headphones. If you can't and your one earbud is not working, you have to do a hard reset, and if you still can't connect, you have to contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.